Honorable Chairperson, the department has noted the findings and remedial actions contained in the Public Protector's report in relation to Langa Flats and Khayelitsha Township. The issues raised in the report are serious and concern services that directly impact the dignity, health, and quality of life of the residents in the areas indicated. The implementation of the remedial action directed at the City of Cape Town remains the primary responsibility of the municipality itself. However, COGTA is engaging the city through the established intergovernmental relations mechanism, including DDM structures, to facilitate a coordinated response and to monitor progress in addressing the concerns identified by the Public Protector. We also recognize that some of the issues identified in the report extend beyond the mandate of a single institution and require a coordinated action which involves the City of Cape Town, the Western Cape Provincial Government, and other relevant national departments, particularly in areas relating to human settlement and basic services. COGTA will therefore continue to facilitate cooperation across the three spheres of government to support the implementation of corrective measures. Honorable Chair, this matter underscores the importance of integrated planning and service delivery. Through DDM model, we are driving a whole of government approach to ensure that municipalities, provinces, and national departments work together more effectively to resolve service delivery challenges and improve the living conditions of communities. We will continue, therefore, monitor developments and support all efforts to ensure that the Public Protector's recommendations are addressed fully and timelessly. Thank you, Honorable Chair.